material, because honestly, it's not even about the trainings, y'all. Like, that's the thing that's changed for us. It's about the relationships, and it's about the transformation that comes through having deep relationships with people that care about you and that want to invest in your lives. And so honestly, the trainings, if you really push me on it, I think they're of value. But I think most of that stuff is stuff that they're either going to tuck away in their back pocket or not for the future. And it's really about us using those trainings to open up conversation about real life, where we can offer um, empathetic understanding and care and the love of God for our neighbor. And that's really what it's about. So, and we've even had to adjust our sense of this, because I think we started with such a heavy bent on the trainings that it felt like that's what it's about. It's like, no, that's never what this has been about. This is about people believing they are inherently valuable in the eyes of God, that they're valuable to their neighbor, that they have hope and a purpose and joy. It's about the gospel for us, all the things the gospel would want us to have, and coming alive as human beings.